Boschert, based in Lörrach, has been developing and manufacturing sheet metal working and winding technology machines for 80 years. Our customers expect our press brake to be ergonomic, compact, powerful, and energy efficient. And all that with low acquisition and overall costs. We kept all these aspects in mind when we comprehensively modernized our QuickBend Evo series and expanded it to cover force ranges up to 80 tons. A key selling point for our new hybrid presses is the innovative compact unit from our technology partner Boschert.
The merging of the two previous small units into a speed-controlled dual drive was a technical and economic breakthrough for us. Depending on the model, the footprint required for the unit has been reduced by 10%. Now we only need one tank, a common control block for both axes, as well as fewer valves and less pipework. At the same time, we achieve rapid approach speeds of up to 400 millimeters per second, which significantly shortens the cycle time for working with a robot.
The new dual unit is part of a completely new series of units for pump-controlled press brakes from Boschert. It consists of 2 motor pump units from the IT-Tronics program, a flow-optimized control block, and 2 inverters from the Control-X drive family. The intelligently coordinated power-on-demand drive allows the customer to operate the press brake at optimum energy efficiency at every operating point. Compared to a throttle control, the energy savings are in the double-digit percentage range. In addition, the new compact unit also impresses with its usual quiet and low-maintenance operation. Together with Boschert, we have achieved a symbiosis between high pressing forces with a minimum of installation area, combined with gown-breaking dynamics and energy efficiency.
The innovative dual unit, the ergonomic machine design, and last but not least, the attractive price-performance ratio are just as well received by metalworking shops as they are in industrial 24/7 production. The new QuickBend Evo series press brakes can compete internationally with the fastest machines, and they set new standards in operating costs, sustainability, and performance. That gives us a strong position in the international market.